Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine come out and she's saying Ashanti and 13 can't tell her not to call Miss D's name. She's saying that anybody's able to call Miss D's name and no one is, she's not able to sue anyone for calling her name. Basically, Maxine is saying just like people are calling everybody else's name, then her name is able to be called as well. So Maxine is, talking about Miss D and Ashanti, 13, and she's saying, this is who she is. And people, they're the same ones, which is Ashanti and 13, that are exposing Miss D allegedly. So, guys, you would have to go and catch the video to hear what Maxine has to say about these individuals. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. And it's very important that you subscribe because you'll be able to see all the videos on a daily basis, posted a couple times per day. And for all those people who are having a birthday today, I wish you a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you prosperity, love, peace, joy, and happiness throughout the year. And for all my other lovelies that are out there, have yourselves a wonderful, beautiful day.
England people, 3 o'clock in the morning, some other country are different hours. And all they can do, I get up and then depend. Let me tell you something, Ashanti and 13, let me tell you something, Ashanti and 13. None of you can tap nobody from call Donna Marigo name. Right legal name. Nobody. You can't stop nobody at all from call her name. Much more me, Marcia, Tina, what wrongs was done to. Who no can't stop none of we from call their name. And Donna Marigo can't sue nobody. Nobody. No call me name. Cause if you no call me name, me no see you no. You wake up and see them, cause 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, in the morning, and people over there, they watch them, And who look who they tell people say they can't call Donna name. Donna liar than thief. Donna is a damn liar than thief. Yes. Me have some video me go show no. How you don't come out to come tell people, no, they call Donna name, and Donna busy and they do this. How you know the same one hoping people make them know say my damn thief. What you know? How you know? Mr. 13 galang with himself, and how they can't wait for Donna come for Donna sue. Donna can't sue nobody. Who Donna can't sue? I mean, ain't tell no lie when me say Ashanti come out here come cuss his manager. Ashanti come out here come cuss. My manager name again? Ashanti come out here come cuss him. Ashanti cuss him like a dog. And say my thief, me a criminal. Visa and passport, sin thing. Lord Jesus. I didn't see him sinting and me I talk about, I didn't see him sinting and me I talk about. Now look on Keisha James. I have one flags under me post. Look on Keisha James. Keisha James, you're one dirty piece of drunk, Keisha James. Keisha James, me have my scripts, them and everything right out this morning. So me have 2 minutes for you, Keisha James. Keisha James. What make you can't take up vomit so? Keisha James. Me dey about me own little business and you come and your friend request me and me accept your friend request, Keisha James. Keisha James, if I am so boring, what the bumbo clot you dey do over here? In Keisha James? How much minute now me start? Not even 10 fucking minutes. Me not even get down in the story yet. And you find your time to come over here. If you can't tell me how boring me is and if me no call down a name and all sort of fuckery and Dana dem mad out herself. Keisha James, Dana can't mad nobody. Keisha James, Dana cannot mad nobody. At the same thing make they talk about, you know. Because me call see 13 Ashanti they pan live from morning till night. And as daylight they come back. Because they have to make that little dollar. They have to make the dollar. Keisha James, you wash your pussy from morning? Are you cocky? Can no found no identity. You wash it? What you do about ya? What you do about ya? What about ya boring your fuck? Boring, that's why me go call few people. What you they do over here, Keisha, in the boring house? You see, the whole of no have no sense. I wanna make people have something to say, you know. Who like you? Let me see who like you now. Let me look and see who like you. Play. Lord, yeah, make me go feed. Yeah, make me go feed. Make me look at who like Keisha sitting first. Lord have mercy. Make me look at who like it. Janet had anointed. As me gonna put on the live, you know. As me gonna put on the live. As me gonna put on the live, so the crow bait them jump on pandy. Jump on pandy, you know. Jump on. See one another one will have stars and something and flags beside the name. You realize what me have on? And did you see my headline? What I said I'm doing this morning? Why you not going to church, Vernon? Vernon, why you not going to church? Me not going to no highlight. You no go away. You know a drunk crow. You know one big old dirty dead drunk crow. You no go away. Me not going to no highlight. Let me go to something what me know so no like. Let me show you the big old broadback cow. Make me show you the big old broadback cow before me do nothing at all. Make me sure, oh no, since no they have a problem. Since no is having a problem. Hold on, people. Let me go feed in my archive. Let me go feed in my archive. Me ain't asking nothing. Me no want to know your business. Me ain't asking nothing drunk. Come on my page. Me ain't asking nothing your damn dog shit. Your damn dog shit. Let me show you what me want to show you, no? Let me show you what me want to show you, no? No, it's in Max. Let me play the one here first.
Try kill your mother. 13 are your teeth in son of Curacao. Illegal 13, you don't have paperwork. You don't have a blood clot ID for pick up money. 13, use a recipient. You want to do it recipient 13. Boy, you go buy charity. Use a blood clot scammer. But they have to hold on, boy, you want to collect for people who burn out. You look like you get burned out. Somebody sent me to one of them pictures there with 13 up at the refugees camp. Alright, Mavi, right, yes, sir. Now, people, now look here. This woman here, but she collect money. We soon get to that. Look on she. Look on blood clot 13. Look like she live in a one. In a one blood clot camp in Ukraine. Look on she with them dirty curtain the boy shall collect people money. Hey, look on she. Watch her people. Watch her. She boss she collect money for people. For build room for them 30, you need a blood clot room yourself. Somebody need to live build a room at Curacao here. Look on blood clot you. You don't live now at Curacao. I live worse than how people I live at Jamaica. Them even deport your blood clot ass. Boy, you collect money. Look on you too. After you overdoing with the scamming. You look on you. Boy, your blood clot collect money. This are the new what?
This are your drunk, yeah. Sit down pan live whole night last night. She look like she dey carry 1 10-month belly for true. Yes. She look like she dey carry 1 10-month belly. And a young girl them. Young dirty girl them. Me no know where this a dirty garbage come from. Me nah look panny and me nah blacky. Me dey make it turn right there. Because me over here so with me boring life. 6 smoke and all. And you take your dirty nasty self come over here. You take your dirty nasty self come over here. Sit down right there so and vomit and yam the vomit and yam the shit drunk. Keisha GM, sit down right there and yam the shit and yam the vomit because I'm going to whoop you with some something this morning. Sit down, no move. No move, Keisha James.
No, people, look on she. When a blood clot live
let me turn off the light.
With rugs and towels and skirting. Them they are not even sheet. I sheet them with them thin no blood clot. You can't look through your sheet them and see a wall. The blood clot this. No people, you know who says she want charity. But she said she gonna buy charity and she start off and I collect money. 13 was a recipient.
One to help. I won't be collecting any money.
He's a thief and scammer. But you won't be collecting no money.
You go too dark.
No blood clot money.
Because guess what?
You's a thief. You's a blood clot thief.
Yesterday, a young lady reached out to Trending Drama.
What all you still at work with doing and the scammer?
The house burned down.
Look at this thief and scammer.
So,
who the blood clots and 13.
The way you that shame. The way you that shame. I would never come back up on social media. Much more for over there so they cost people. Much more for over there. They cost people. Number 2. None of you out here can stop me from calling Donna name. I go and call it until the cow jump over the moon. I go and show you our lying, thieving, scamming ways. And yes, she know all about Bonnicks. Oh yes, but I read and read for people money. She know all about Bonnicks. Me nah blame the manager. What the manager name? What the manager name again? Ramesh. Me not blaming the manager. I am not blaming the manager. The whole of them licky and have sticky finger and love money. She know everything. I want the feds come down and I go and make sure the feds come down for the whole of uno ras. The whole of uno because uno is a thief. Every one of uno is a thief. The whole of uno a criminal. Every one of uno. Me not me not put no excuse for nobody. You know exactly what you was putting yourself into. People, look on it this way, you know. Imagine. She don't know nothing about Bonnicks, right? She don't know nothing about Bonnicks. Two, she run Ghana in Canada. Run Ghana, Canada. Why your business with Bonnicks workers them? If you not have an in a Bonnicks work, why would you go to Canada, put up money, you and Nana Lynn and Rose, put up money to pay Bonnicks worker if you not have an in it? If you not have an in there, you'd leave it alone. But you no learn. You no learn. You no come this morning, cause me ready for you no. Me all beard this morning. Yes! Me all a beard. Tell me now. You no tell me. Yeah man, you no tell me. You no have no hand in it. You no know nothing about nothing. Somebody write me one note and tell me say, you went up there to collect money. You rain come to collect money from you. About Bonnicks money and stuff like that. Yes, I saw the people them text me and tell me I'm going to read it out. Me will read it out again this morning. You know what you do. You know you have an in it. You have an in a Bonnicks situation. Because if you never have an in it, me know, okay? Me go enjoy myself. Me gonna Canada fi enjoy myself. Me gonna the falls. Me gonna Yasso. They have indoor place where you have you get nice warm massage. Clean up your body and sing thing. Yes, hile down your body and then sing thing there. How that mother gonna do? I'm on vacation. That you da gonna do. But no, you have to go collect your money and you have to go help pay the money to the worker when get to when owe the money. What are your business? Why you go pay? Because you have an in there. You ain't know say the girl a thief. You ain't know them a kleptomaniac. You know them ain't thief. You know them ain't crutcher. You know them ain't criminal. You ain't know the whole of them pass. But what you do? You jump in there because you see the fast money. And you want go to uno come. Me say uno fi come because when uno come, me go deep and deeper for she. Uno come. Come. No tap right. Why you tap right? Me no black you. Me no black you drunker. Drunker me no black you, you know. Me just now read your comment. Me no black you. Right still. Dark shit still right. No stop right. The more you no come for me, the more me go fear. Yes. Because what rights 13 and Ashanti have that them can sit down over there 8, 9 and 10 hours per live. Let Dana alone. Dana this. Thank you very much for the expose Dana. Shanti and 13. Thank you very much for the exposure. Because some of the things them I don't remember. And when I go check up on my facts, I'm coming out with it. Thank you very much to remind us. The whole of uno, she tell uno already if you leave her name, you know. She tell Latest, she tell all of uno say leave her name. But uno not stop. What are you guys defending? What uno a defend? Me no know what uno a defend. The criminal activity, that's what uno they defend. Nothing what me put out here and what she had already put out here. Why no I defend? Why no get up out of no bed for this morning and come over here to come bother my nerves? Why? Me I play me something that me not business we do, no? Where the damn same thing there? Boy, when the fun. You no want something, go no. No move. No move. Don't move a muscle.